Question number 14, student vote. Students were asked to rank 3 course options according to their preferences. All 930 students in the school answered the survey. The results are indicated in the table below. Teachers analyzed the data collected from the students using plurality voting, board account, elimination method, and Condorcet method. The teachers made the following prediction. In 3 out of 4 methods, the same course option will win. Are the teachers correct in their predictions? Let's look at the 4 methods. 20% of the student population. What is the student population? 930. 20% of 930 is 20% as a decimal is 0.2. Of is times, so 0.2 times 930. 0.2 times 930 is 186. We know there's 186 students who picked psychology first, biology second, media studies third. 1/3 of the population, 1/3 of the 930. That's 930 divided by 3, which is 310. 310 students picked biology first, media studies second, psychology third. 434 students picked media studies first, then biology, then psychology last. Let's start with the board account. So for psychology was picked first here. It's going to get 3 points for coming in first, 2 points for coming in second, and 1 point for coming in third. Because we have 3 choices, you're going to get a maximum of 3 points. If we had 5 choices, first choice would get 5 points, and second would get 4, and then third would get 3, and second, and fourth would get 2, and fifth would only get 1. It's the number of choices we have. Psychology is going to get 3 times 186, and here psychology is picked last, so it's only 1 point times 310. Psychology is picked last again, so 1 point times 434 gives us 1,302 points for psychology. Biology is picked second here, so they get 2 points. And they're picked first here, so they get 3 points here. 3 points times 310. And they're picked second here, so 2 points times 434. Like that. And that gives us 2,170. For media studies last, so 1 times 186. Here it's second, 2 times 310. Here it's first, 3 times 434. And that gives us 2,108. Biology wins. Biology wins the board account. For plurality voting, psychology was picked first 186 times. Biology was picked first 310 times, and media studies was picked first 434 times. Media studies wins. For the elimination method, psychology got 186 first choices, biology got 310 first choices, and media studies got 434 choices. So that means psychology had the least number of first choices. So we're going to eliminate psychology and give its results to what comes next here. Biology. Psychology is removed from the first choices and its first choices are given to biology. Biology has 310 plus 186, which is 496. Now we just have to answer, does biology have a majority? So 496 out of the total number of students, 930, is 53.3%. If it's anything over 50%, then you have a majority, and then you win. Biology wins for the elimination method. The last one, Condorcet method. Plurality voting, media studies 1, board account, biology 1, elimination method, biology 1. So let's look at Condorcet method. The Condorcet method, we're going to compare 2 of these courses, like psychology to biology, and see who's preferred by whom. Here, psychology is preferred over biology by the 186, then nowhere else. 186 times psychology is preferred over biology. Everywhere else biology is preferred, so here and here. So 310 plus 434, which is 744. Media studies versus biology. Because biology won, I'm not going to compare psychology to media studies. Okay, because it's already lost. So biology is the winner. I'm going to compare media studies to biology. So media studies, biology is preferred here, biology is preferred here, media studies preferred here. So 434 for media studies. For biology, 186 plus 310, which is 496. Biology wins. Biology won here and here, they win overall. Biology wins. Biology won for the board account, elimination, and for the Condorcet method. The teachers made the following prediction. In 3 out of the 4 methods, the same course option will win, and it was biology, and they were right. Are the teachers correct in their prediction? Yes, they are. And that's it for question number 14. Have a good day.